Bored to death? Oh my goodness. What a time we're living in. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I thank you for coming to my channel today and looking at this video because this video is going to teach you something how to make money during this crisis. And what's going to teach you is that there are many ways to make money online, but there's also other ways that make you big money. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, since you're on my YouTube channel, I just want to point out that if you want to do what I do online, you need to check out this link right here where I make big money, thousands of dollars per month. Or you can use this video to see how this all works out, okay guys? Alright, so let's get started with the 3 sites that I want to show you, and these are going to be 13 plus friendly, okay? So what I'm going to show you today is about taking surveys. There's a lot of survey sites out there that allow you to give your opinion and get paid for it, okay? And the sites that I'm going to show you today, first, it's going to allow you to get paid out. Second, they have really good surveys, and if you work hard, you can make a few $100s a month. And third, I'm going to show you some income proof as well. So there have been payouts. Okay, so the first one is Survey Junkie. This is a very typical survey site, okay, where this one has been around for a long time. You take surveys and you get paid and be an influencer. You share your opinion to help brands deliver better products and services. So how are you going to do this is that you're going to shape products and services that are meaningful to you. So you're going to take surveys, build your profile, and we'll match you to surveys, earn rewards, complete surveys, and earn virtual points. Then you get paid. Redeem virtual points for PayPal or e-gift cards. So all the sites that I'm going to show you today will have access to PayPal, and that's why you could earn some PayPal cash. And that's why I like showing you these sites, because it's convenient. So here it is. Get rewarded for your participation. You got Amazon. You could use gift cards as well, but PayPal is obviously better because then you could buy things from anywhere you want. Okay. So once you get set up, so you just click this join now button, and then you're going to fill out however you want to sign up, and then you're going to follow. Usually for surveys, you need to do some kind of profile questionnaire. When you're setting up your profiles, it probably asks you for all 3 sites. And in fact, if you want to make the maximum amount of money, you could do all 3 sites so that you could have more money in your pocket, okay? And you probably need to do all 3 sites to earn anything significant from these sites. So here's a review site called trustpilot.com, and it's giving Survey Junkie 4.5 stars, so it's not bad. It's got more than 15,000 people reviewing with 68% at excellent, okay, and 20% at great, okay, so that's 88%. That's pretty good. And here I'm going to show you this person on YouTube that has been confirmed to get paid out, and I'll show you here after he confirmed. He has the email there that shows them that they get the money in their PayPal account. Okay, so that's Survey Junkie. The next one I was going to show you here is called Market Agent at marketagent.com. This one is actually from the UK, I believe, because or somewhere in the European, because look at this language here. Okay, so but this is the English version of their site here, but I still see not English, so I don't know what's up with this site. But it's why I'm showing you is because this site has been paying out and has been rated high. So what they do is we ask questions, and survey participants can help shape products and earn money in the process. And this site is for brands and companies who want to do questionnaires or research for their markets and want to reach out to consumers. So if you want to make money from Market Agent, you're going to be on the left side here. You're going to take part in online surveys. You're going to earn money with every online survey. You're going to recruit friends and get a commission as well if you want to do it that way. So you just click participate now, and then you just sign up. Once you sign up there, I know that you're probably going to do like the profile questionnaire I was telling you about. So you're going to need to kind of, right here, it says enhance your profile to receive more questionnaires. What that means is that you really got to get your profile as detailed as possible. Give them as much detail as possible about yourself so that you can gain a lot more questionnaires. So once you take part in the online surveys, you will earn money with every survey here. And they've already paid out, this is in euros, so this is probably around 500,000. in US dollars. Okay, and then for this one, market agent, this one is has less reviews because it's a newer site, but it's still highly rated at 70% excellent and 18% great, which makes this also 88% like the last one. So that's a good sign. And then on YouTube, I found this person making money from this site. It says market agent, marketagent.com. So in December 2018, this person got 34 euros paid out. And then he also has January 19th, another one. And then he also has one more here, another January. So it is definitely legit and paying out for this site. And so there's one more site I want to show you, and it's at Life Points at lifepointspanel.com. Okay, so live your life, get rewarded, join now, earn 10 life points immediately. How it works: join a community of over 5 million members and start collecting life points. So you're gonna connect with the community, and then you're gonna contribute. I don't know what's happening here. And then you collect life points rewards, which convert into PayPal, guys. Okay, so connect with Life Points community, become a member of our global community while interacting with millions of other people who share their opinions. Join and be part of something special that will allow you to change your world. Life Points is the place to be for those who want to be heard. We're the bridge that connects people's habits and views with what companies offer to consumers. Contribute by completing surveys. So you're going to do the surveys, and you're going to basically put you in the driver's seat and tell brands and influence brands on their products and services. And then you're going to collect the rewards. So each survey that you do, you're going to get rewards. You can seize opportunities for great rewards every time a new survey is completed. Your time is the limit. The more life points you collect, the more potential rewards you get. So in the how it works here, they are a primary, so this is all they do is surveys, okay? So it's not like one of those sites that get paid to sites where you get tons of different ways of making money. But because these are survey sites, you're going to concentrate just on surveys, and they will have better surveys than the other sites that have, get paid to, that have several ways of making money. So they're going to have the surveys, and after you complete the surveys, you're going to collect the life points. In this section here, they're telling you like the amount of surveys that you get really depends on how many surveys are being conducted and the types of surveys that are being conducted and how many of those you are being qualified for. Okay, so that's why having your profile as much detail as possible will help you get more surveys. Occasionally, diaries will be sent out where members will record specific habits or behaviors for the amount of time that's being asked. Other times, products will be mailed to members' home address for product testing, and they'll be prompted with questions about the product. So you could do product testing as well on here, not just answering surveys, so which is pretty cool. No special skills required. You don't need to have experience, and you just kind of do it, okay? So for life points, I have found this on Trustpilot. They have over 4,500 reviews, and they're sitting at about 4.5 stars as well. This one has 70% at excellent and 20% at great. So you're looking at about 90% being a pretty good app or being a pretty good site to use. And I found the payment proof for life points here, where this person have already accumulated 165 life points. And as you go through the process, this person will pick PayPal. And once they put in all the information, select PayPal, and they go ahead and redeem, they will get the email from PayPal in their account right there. They have it right at the end. So the email's there and they got the rewards. Okay, I'll show you one more here for this one. This is a different one. They have 700 something points and they're redeeming also using PayPal. And once they are done, they are going to see the email from PayPal as well. There it is. Okay, so they are paying out, guys. Like I was saying in the beginning, guys, it is not advantageous to use these sites. You will make a little bit of money, but you may be very disappointed with the amount of money you'll be making, because these are literally just survey sites asking for your opinion, okay? So if you want to make a lot more money than that, you will need to learn an online skill, and there is no better time than right now when you're stuck at home and really have nothing to do. You should really learn how to build an online business so that in the near future you'll be really earning a real online income passively as well. So check it out. It's going to be the second link in my video description. It's the same training that I've taken myself to earn thousands of dollars online, and you can check my income proof on that platform on my profile there, okay? So income disclaimer though, my results are not typical, and of course your results will vary, and it all depends on you, how hard you work to make money online, guys, okay? So I hope you like this video. You can still make some money with the 3 sites that I showed you in this video, and you can make quicker money with these 3 sites. What you learn about online skills, it does take time to build an online business. And so that's why it's crucial to start now instead of wasting time on these little sites. Okay, guys? So check that out, the second link in my video description. And I hope you would check out these other videos that I'm going to put right beside me right now, because they will show you how building an online business will make you a lot more money, okay? And that's why I want to show you these videos, and you should really check them out right now so that you can make some real online money that you can really depend on. All right, guys? So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to tap that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. All right, I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.